Staging impacts your home's sold price and selling speed. It really might surprise you as to how much it impacts a potential buyer's experience in a home, because buying a home is an emotional experience for most people. Right now I'm going to get into some stats from the RESA, or the Real Estate Staging Association, and if that's not for you, skip ahead and I'm going to get into staging tips. The RESA, or the Real Estate Staging Association, found that non-staged homes spend an average of 184 days on market. This was in 2022, which is definitely a different market than it is now, so it could be even more. After staging, those same homes that spent 184 days on market spent 41 days on market. And homes staged prior to actually going on the market spent an average of 23 days on market. This all depends on if it's buyer's or seller's market in your area and price point. Our market dynamics tells us that in certain price points in Boise or in Ada County, it is definitely a seller's market. And for certain upper end luxury price points, you'll be in a buyer's market. And if you don't know what a buyer's and seller's market is, a seller's market is anything from 0 to 3 months on market. So 0 to 90 days. Anything from 4 to 6 months is an equal market where both buyers and sellers really compromise on a lot of things. Anything 6 months or more is considered a buyer's market, where buyers have more of a pull, more bargaining power than sellers will have. Even a staged home now will sit on the market longer than a non-staged home during COVID, because homes were flying off the shelves faster than toilet paper at the time. Another important metric that the RESA states is that homes that are staged sold for an average of 5 to 23% over list price, which is, and I'm not saying to purchase all these expensive staging services, because staging can cost a lot of money for just a month, 2 months. And here at Be Home Idaho, we offer 2 months of free staging, because that's how confident we are that we're gonna get your home sold. So hit us up. We love serving people just like you. As an agent, I've seen the power of staging firsthand. And if you're living in the home while you're getting showings, while it's in the market, it's not about how you actually live in the home. It's about how the buyer, when they walk through your home, how they will imagine living there. There are 3 things to keep in mind when you're getting your home ready for buyers to come in. The first thing, declutter. Get rid of the excess. Box up the out-of-season clothes, put away unnecessary kitchen items, get rid of that one weird knife that you have on the wall. It's really cool, but I don't think that the buyer's gonna be interested, honestly. Buyers need to see the space itself, not just your stuff, and imagine themselves living there, putting their stuff on the walls. This is probably the most important thing you can do to get your home, if you're living in it, ready for staging. The next thing is depersonalize. This one might also hit home, because I'm saying to take down those family photos, take down your trophy from your 2013 bowling championship. Yes, that was awesome that you won that, but a buyer wants to put their 2014 bowling trophy up there, so they want to imagine it up there, so keep that in mind. And the final most important thing, probably a no-brainer, is deep clean your home. I mean, who doesn't love to live in a clean home? And the buyers want to expect that the home that they're going to buy is going to be clean, and that's easier to imagine when it is currently clean. Bonus tips: neutralize and play with furniture arrangement. Neutralize, I'm meaning play with neutral colors. If you have the time and the expenses to actually change up the colors in your home, try just putting neutral colors up, like whites and these colors that I put on screen. For furniture arrangement, you want to make sure that the space feels open, cozy, and really inviting. So blocking off a whole section of the home with your couch may not be the best idea, even if it gives you the best view of the TV. Buyers will start to imagine where they'll put the couch, and don't take it as an offense if they're saying, well, we would put the couch here, because they're starting to imagine themselves in the home. We want buyers to feel invited when they come into your home, whether it's vacant and staged or whether it's actually your furniture. If you want more tips to make that happen, subscribe down below. I put out videos every day on topics just like this, and I would love to partner with you on this journey on listing your home. Thank you for watching this video so much, and I will see you in the next video tomorrow.